Welcome back guys. So I finally got my ROG Phone 5 back today from the service center, fully repaired. My phone died on 7th March 2022. I got it today on 26th March 2022. One thing that I immediately noticed was that the motherboard of my device had been changed to the one present in ROG Phone 5s. You can see even its name is shown as ROG Phone 5s, and you can see the software information here. The BIOS installed on my ROG Phone 5 actually belongs to ROG Phone 5s. I just opened the Antutu benchmark app and you can see here it is showing as ROG Phone 5s. Let me just run the verification test. Yeah, the specs have been verified. As you can see, Snapdragon 888 Plus processor. I don't think they changed the processor. With the change of motherboard and BIOS, the same processor may be able to hit 3 GHz. There is really not a big difference between ROG Phone 5 and 5s. Alright, I have attached the reactive cooler to ROG Phone 5. Now I'll run the CPU flow tab. Here as you can see, clock speed around 2.99 GHz. So yes, it's definitely ROG Phone 5s now. This is how Asus is handling the service of ROG Phone 5 in India. I don't have any complaints with the service center people. They were polite and respectful. I got my device quite early. I was expecting it to be repaired by next month. So guys, I'll end the video here. I hope you found it useful. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.